Hello, everybody. This is Val.
This is how we do it. Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. I'm be frying me some potatoes with onions. First of all, we put the potatoes in the skillet and then season them. Now you can slice your potatoes, cut them any kind of way you want to get them in the skillet. I'm putting black pepper on it, garlic salt or garlic powder, and that's all I'm gonna do for is the seasoning. Put enough right there so when I mix it up, the flavor will go all through the potatoes. Onions on top. You can call this hash browns or onions and potatoes. You can call it whatever you like. Then we put a top on it. The top help it simmer and the potatoes get soft. Okay, we're gonna flip the potatoes. Let's turn them over. Really, you just stirring them up. Pick up and flip. Leave some in there. You just cook them till they're tender. Put the top back on them. They'll be ready to serve soon. Now I'm going to check the potatoes. Now, if you like your potatoes crispy and brown on one side, like hash browns, you can continue to do that. But I'm making these for myself and Willie, and we like them just soft. Not necessarily with the crispy brown like let me see, can I show you what I'm talking about? Like this. Like that right there. We don't necessarily like them all like that, so I'm covering those up so the steam will make those soft. So you can call this onions and potatoes instead of hash browns. You put them on a plate with some eggs, some sausages, or some bacon, or omelet. I mean, hey, it's still hash browns to me, right? And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Don't you forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you want to find something to do with all those potatoes you got piling up, cut them up and fry them with some onions. They'll taste great.